I'm interrupting you here. Dr. Harshvardhan, the health minister, has arrived at one of the locations out of the three in the national capital, most likely the GTB hospital where we are standing and getting these visuals. I'm at gate number 3. Of course, him being the VIP has been taken inside from the gate number 1. But Dr. Harshvardhan has been a very hands-on person when it comes to this entire planning. He has been, in fact, making day-to-day updates as well. And as you see right now on these visuals, Dr. Harshvardhan is at one of the venue of this dry run where he is reviewing the entire process. Because for the health ministry, for smooth rollout of the vaccination, remember, at least at this point of time, and what we have learned from our sources, the vaccine which has been given the emergency use approval, that is the Covishield of the Oxford AstraZeneca Serum Institute. At this point of time, we know from Serum Institute that about 50 million doses, about 5 crore doses are ready. Remember, it will be 2-dose process, possibly in a gap of 28 days. So it will be very important to make sure that there are no pilferages, no wastage as far as this entire process goes. Because at least at this point of time, initially, the number of doses could be very limited. The government would also have to take a call on how the various doses are procured and distributed among various states, because every state government would be extremely keen to get the maximum number of the vaccine doses so that they can start the process in their own states. Now, as we speak, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Harshvardhan, who is in the national capital, he is in fact at GTB hospital taking a look at this entire process of the dry run which is going on. A hands-on review would be given to him. He would be able to, in fact, get a sense of what are the shortcomings, where are the gaps. And then, of course, it would be important for him to take this back and then go back to the drawing board and ensure that any plug, any loophole can be plugged before the actual vaccination process does start across the country. It is going to be a mammoth task, not an easy one. The transportation of the vaccine from the manufacturer to, in fact, making sure that it reaches to various spots. In fact, in the first phase, the part A of the first phase would, experts say, would slightly be easy because it will be only the health workers, those who are going to get the jab, and that would be done at very limited places like the hospitals that we are seeing today. But when you roll out part B, when the people over 50 years would start getting the vaccine, that's the time it will have to be done, possibly on a scale as we go through the elections in this country. So a very important, in fact, day for India, second day of the new year, first day beginning with the good news that Covishield has been given the emergency use approval. And now this entire dry run with more significance, with more vigor, becomes the most important event in the post-corona world for the country.